Have you ever fumbled around in your wallet, heart pounding, desperately searching for your credit card, only to realize it's nowhere to be found? Maybe you left it at the restaurant or misplaced it at the gym. Whatever the reason, that sinking feeling of potential fraud is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. Thankfully, in most cases, credit card companies like Capital One have robust security measures in place. But what if those security measures fail you, or you have a different question about your account that needs immediate attention? That's where Capital One's helpline comes in. But before you scramble to grab your phone, let's take a beat and answer the burning question: when exactly does Capital One's helpline open? The answer, like most things in life, depends. There are actually two main categories of Capital One customer service lines, and their operating hours differ slightly. Category 1, Banking Inquiries. If your inquiry concerns your Capital One bank account, such as a suspicious transaction, a question about a direct deposit, or anything related to your checking or savings account, you'll want to dial Capital One's bank customer service line. The good news is that this line boasts extended hours, allowing you to connect with a representative any day of the week, from a comfortable 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time all the way to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's a generous 15-hour window to get your banking questions answered, no matter your schedule. Category 2, Credit Card Inquiries. Perhaps your credit card woes are the culprit behind your search. If you need to report a lost or stolen card, inquire about a reward program, or have any other credit card-related concern, you'll need to reach Capital One's credit card customer service line. Here, the hours are a tad different. Representatives are available to assist you from 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. Remember, these are the standard operating hours. During holidays or unforeseen circumstances, these times may shift. It's always a good idea to double-check Capital One's website or social media pages for any updates on customer service availability. But what if you just can't wait on hold? Don't worry. Capital One offers a few alternative solutions. Capital One Mobile App. The Capital One mobile app puts your account information at your fingertips. You can check your balance, view recent transactions, and even manage your credit card security settings, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Eno, the virtual assistant, feeling tech-savvy? Capital One's virtual assistant, Eno, is available through the mobile app and allows you to chat with a digital helper for basic inquiries. Secure messaging. For more complex issues, you can send a secure message directly through your Capital One online account. A customer service representative will respond within a reasonable time frame. So there you have it. With a little planning and these handy resources at your disposal, navigating any Capital One situation, day or night, becomes a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.